going on, guys? We're here with my friend Deanna.
What's up?
We're at my house and we're about to get a little reckless and just have some fun real quick on this nice Monday afternoon it is. So yeah, we're jumping the fence and that's my fence and that's my jump. So let's get to it. We're out here. Don't check my code, people. Alright, so we're about to jump the fence right now. And it's gonna be super fun. We have the GoPro and we got a helmet because we're gonna need one. But we'll just wear some regular shoes and whatnot. Hey, we got the trusty steed right here that we're taking over the fence. We're gonna warm her up a bit to get the oil heated up to change because we gotta change the oil on the old girl. We gotta move her in. Let's do this thing. Look at that shit.
Evidence of me.
Don't drink that crap. If I was able to train, I would do this and just run like hills with this. That's what we do. Oh, mad dog crap. Holy shit. I need a pooper scooper for the lawn. There's dog crap right there.
There's dog crap everywhere.
Yeah, I went directly over it, so we got our ramp set up. We're gonna align this properly so we could complete the maneuver to perfection, basically. Epic. Let's do this thing. That was fun. Super fun out there. It's like little Baja best whip practice. So that's about it. GoPro is off. And that's it for this vlog, guys. Short vlog, but Deanna killing it with the shots and just having some fun out here. So, oops, sorry, camera. Having some fun out here, hitting some crazy little hip jumps and just like some stuff that popped in my head that I wanted to do for a long time, like ever since I got this fence. And I did it after I built this little ramp, so there's gonna be some more fun stuff. I might have to hit it on a mountain bike next time, who knows. But I can't wait for Baja this weekend. It's gonna be awesome. I'll be coming at you guys, vlogging from there the whole weekend. Friday night is best whip. I'll be entered in that. Don't know if I'm racing or not yet, but I will decide how I feel, how my shoulder feels and everything, but it's feeling okay over that for now. So we'll see this weekend, but thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Smash that like button, subscribe below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Bye.